Here we are at week 6 already in medical terminology. This week we need to go through chapter 10. It's the nervous system. It's kind of a big chapter. I want to make sure that if you feel like you've gone through the chapter and read it, maybe you do it again. Maybe you take extra time this chapter to read. Have you had any time that you've spent to read the in person at the back of the chapter? They kind of have a blue title page at the top. At the end of each chapter. The case reports are really good. I wish I could assign them to you because they're really, really awesome, but you have the answers, so they're really good for you to make sure that now that we've learned the language and we've got a lot of word parts kind of under our belt and up in our brains, we know a lot of those flashcards by mastery. Let's make it make sense. Let's make sure that we can read a medical paragraph and understand what the doctor is saying. Let's make sure we can go to a doctor's appointment and when they speak to us in their language that we're one of them now. That you can watch TV and watch one of your doctor shows on TV and you understand what they're doing because you can kind of follow along and keep with the language. So really take time this week to make sure you really are comprehending. Make sure you really are asking questions where you still have them. It's okay to still have questions about really how we should be doing this. Make sure you focus on those blue boxes, those word parts this week. This is a great chapter, very, very popular body system. There's a lot going on at the nervous system and we read about it in the chapter. So have a great week.